Dear brother and sisters, so now I'm gonna share with you another video. This one, the purpose of body tech, how to write body tech in HTML Visual Studio Code. So now I share here. Okay, so now I write body, then I put inside here. I write HTML header tech one Jubaer Ahmed Ahmed. Okay, Jubaer Ahmed. Then Control S. Now I go to the website, then I refresh this one. Okay, I go to down here. I write Jubair Ahmed. So if that I write here one paragraph. Okay, paragraph inside I write Lorem 40. Okay, Control S. Lorem 40 Control S. Then I go to the website. Okay, then I refresh. See here, Jubair Ahmed. This one inside the body tech. Hello world. This one inside the um, deep tech. Okay. So now if I head here, okay, no problem. I make this on the format. Okay, this one come already. So now if I add anything, suppose that here I write uh, any image. Suppose that I write one image tag img, then I write okay. So if I check before this one, suppose that this picture I add Jubair 6 JPEG. Okay, then I write Jubair 6. Okay, Control S, and I go to the website and I refresh, go to down. So this one come but showing the beak. See, here is the picture. Okay, suppose that here I write one button BU TO, and okay, then I click here. Here I write submit, SU submit, MIT submit. Okay, then Control S. I go to the website, then click here. I think come the button here also. So thank you so much, dear guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So see you the next video. Thank you so much.